Heat wave, no energy, I need nourishment. A loaf of sun-dried tomato focaccia, Parmesan cheese, bella mushrooms, olives, garlic, onion, tomato sauce, and some sweet Italian sausage. Let's make a sandwich. Heat up the olive oil, add some onions so we can brown, slice up the bella mushrooms and add them. We're gonna add some salt. The salt will remove the excess moisture from the mushrooms. Add some garlic, black olives. I've added the sweet Italian sausage meatballs. I've sprinkled them with oregano. I'm going to brush the loaf with some olive oil. Look at those meatballs. They're browning nicely. I'm going to add about a fourth of a cup or so tomato sauce. I'm going to add some freshly grated Parmesan. And don't forget the basil. Lovely fresh, but look how gooey that is. It's cooked down beautifully. We're going to pile that on top of our loaf. We're going to brush the top of the loaf with olive oil. We're going to pop it in a 400-degree oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. We just want the bread to get crispy. And yummy, yum, yum, yum.